I'm the most beautiful on the street because nobody is here. สวัสดีค่ะ I'm quite quiet today, right? Because I'm in the temple. How are you? Today I come to the area where it's very close to Khaosan Road. I just wanna make some video to show you, to get you some idea about how Khaosan Road look like today. The temple that I'm standing here is Wat Chana Songkram, is just opposite Khaosan Road. So over there at Khaosan Road where I'm going to walk is very noisy because it's also during a construction as same as this temple. They're just fixing everything. It seems like during COVID-19, a lot of people take opportunity to renovate everything to be much nicer. So it's good and it's bad, but let me walk and show you Khaosan Road today. Yes, welcome to Khaosan Road. This place is like a big attraction place in Bangkok, and a lot of young people, backpackers, they love to come here for a party. But right now, during a COVID-19, this place is been so quiet. But it's good for Bangkok because even before COVID-19, this area is been renovated. They just wanted to change the street to be better quality, more organized because they got a lot of people who sell along the street. So this street, Bangkok, they invest money for 45.8 million baht to renovate this place. They started to do it since October last year, and it's going to be done very soon. So I think after the tourism get back, this place will be completely perfect for tourism here in Bangkok. Let's have a walk inside and see how it is like. I have nothing to say because I feel very sad about how quiet it is. I love the street. I don't know if you have ever walked, but it's very cool street. It's so good. It's so fun being quiet around here. This street is opposite Khao San Center. If you've never been here before, or if you have been here before, you probably never noticed that opposite Khao San Center, they got like little narrow way you can walk through to Rambutri Road. It's pretty cool area. Along this street, I don't see human at all. I only see a cat. Guys, along this street, I feel like I'm a queen. I'm the most beautiful on the street because nobody is here. Wow, this is Khaosan Road today. Today is on Saturday, 16th of May 2020. So I guess that it's going to be much nicer when Khaosan Road open again for the tourists because you can have a look. The street, it looks much nicer and cleaner and no more like what to say, like a footpath that when people get drunk, especially around here, a lot of people get drunk easily. So you can just have a look. It looks like smooth, and a car cannot park anywhere because they have something like that. Yeah, to just block the way. So taxi or tuk-tuk cannot park very easy around here anymore. Nice. I see one shop they open. That's nice. อันนี้เปิดตลอดเลยเหรอคะหรือว่าเพิ่งเปิดอะคะอ๋อเพิ่งเปิด
เปิดค่ะเปิดเมื่อวานกับวันนี้
She said that Today is her first day that she started to open her business, and she found that after closing for a long time, it's like a loss of termite. Oh, that's scary. Termite is like a big enemy to us. Termite love eating wood. That's why it's easy when you are away. Termite love to be in a quiet area. So be careful, termite. This shop also already open. Nice. So on the street, I see only two. I think they are foreigner. I don't know. They are a bit far from here. That's only two girls just taking a photo. Enjoy the quiet of this street because usually it's like crazy, especially this time. It's getting to a bit late afternoon, and yeah, that's why we feel like it's quite strange, but it's beautiful also. So I hope you enjoy my video, and if you think it's useful, please don't forget to share them, because in case your friend thinking about how Bangkok is like, how Khaosan Road is like, yeah, they can see it too. And if you have any comment, please feel free to just write to me. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe for me, and I will have many things interesting about my country to share with you. Until next time, thank you so much for watching until the end. Bye. I can't talk. It's so quiet. สวัสดีค่ะ I can't talk. It's so quiet. I am now in a temple.